Right, so today on the F3 I'm going to start looking at this back end. So I've got leaf springs to clean up, the axles and the drive shaft. So that's the plan. So get these back wheels off, get the U-bolts undone, hopefully they'll come off easy enough, and yeah, get it stripped down. Alright, so the next bit done. Just loosened everything off on the back end, so loosen the wheel nuts off. These U-bolts, loosen them off already. And these loose spring nuts here, they're loose as well. This brake line to drain and disconnect. And then the axle is ready to come off. This side's loose as well. So I actually found out that this side is opposite threads on the studs, which is a pain. So this one that had snapped, the reason was because I was trying to undo them the wrong frigging way. So yeah, so they're left-handed threads. But the confusing thing is, so on the other side, these are normal threads. That stud's actually spinning there, so that's not good. But yeah, so they're standard thread. So, as you can see that. So I'm not sure whether that's some just old wagons used to do that, maybe. Something to do with the running in the direction, stop coming undone or something. Why this side would be normal thread and the other opposite. But anyway, so will be the same. These are normal by looks of the threads there. They spin off to the left, so they should be standard thread then. So I don't know what that's about, but yeah. So alright, so get that. Oh, we've got this, got the prop shaft off as well. Drive shaft here. obviously needle bearings in here, in these U-joints, so just had to be careful, didn't want to drop any pins out, so get them cleaned up and greased inside. That's that side, I'll not knock the pin out the other side. I don't want to disturb it if I don't need to. They feel pretty good. There's not much movement in the joints, so I don't see the point in rebuilding them for no reason. Just clean them up, re-grease them, clean these props up. Yeah, so get that axle off next job.